guys, I'm going to start off by moisturizing with my Clinique moisturizer and following that with my Too Faced Hangover Primer to help maintain that moisture in my skin before I use my Born This Way foundation and my Sigma, I think F40 brush or E40. I'll link it down below. I love this foundation. Look how good it's blending with my skin tone, and it just looks so satiny and smooth. Look at that. Oh, I love it. Blends right in, so. Alright, so that's done. Next, we're going to go into concealer. I've been using this Makeup Revolution concealer. It's supposed to be a full coverage concealer, so I'm like, ooh, Shape Tape dupe, baby. So now, I'm going to go into the eyes. So the picture that I'm trying to recreate had a blue smoky eye color with it, so I'm going in with a blue color from the BH Cosmetics Takes Me Back to Brazil palette, and I am just working that into my crease. So I'm starting with like this aqua bluish kind of color, and then I'm going to go back in and deepen the crease at the bottom because I wanted it to fade out until an aqua blue color. All right, now we're back and I'm finished getting that blue color into my crease. I'm going to go into this black color and deepen the blue in my crease. You have to be really careful with black because you can put a little bit of black and it will not budge. So just like make sure you don't put too much on the brush so you can spread it out and it won't be super hard and it won't be blending for like 20 hours trying to get it back. So yeah, I'm just putting that in my crease, and now I'm cutting my crease with that Makeup Revolution concealer. I'm going into my box of crayons palette, and I'm going to use the white color and also the gold color. So I'm just taking that white color and I'm starting in my crease. I'm sorry that I was out of frame. I always do this by mistake, like bend down too far, and then boom, you just see my forehead. Like, okay, I'm gonna do better. I promise. All right, so I'm gonna go into the gold color and I'm gonna start placing it on the second half of the lid, I guess. It's actually gonna be third, so it's the second third of the lid. I'm putting it in there and blending it out so it fades out a little bit more evenly. All that, oh, that gold needed a little touching up, so I had to fix it. All right, now I'm going to take that bottom dark blue color and the black and mix them together to get a deep blue. Just make sure you don't use too much black because like I said, you'll be blending for forever. It's still going to take a little blending to make sure it's a seamless blend right there. But I'm just going to smoke that out on the last third of my lid and on the edge basically. And let's speed it up, speed it up, speed it up. But yeah, I'm just working in that area to blend it out as much as I can. And that's it. Like, look at this. It's so cute. I'm so happy with it, how it came out. I would like to thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget, if you like it, to please give me a thumbs up. And any suggestions you have, please put it in the description, in the comments down below. Thank you guys again, and I will see you in the next one.